how do you finalize or evaluate the gravity of the issue? Probably on the basis of how many person it cost as a life. So for example, environmental issues, one of those gravest issue in our country. Just for this environmental issues, pollution issues, millions and millions people are dying for this. Second important thing, even for the employment purposes, many youth are committing suicides. People are not getting jobs and therefore they are committing suicides. They don't have money, they don't have enough nutrition to feed their children, no education. These are the major concerns. Now look at on the other side the issue which is called Hindu Muslim issue. You'll be surprised to know, you just find out, I'm not telling you, and I'm not telling you to just accept each of my words. You just go and check ChatGPT or even through Google, find out what this NCRB data says about Hindu and Muslim rights, communal rights, and on an annual basis. You won't find even one death being occurred only for the same reason out of 100 total that occurring in this country, which means the NCRB data suggests that violence erupting or right erupting out of this Hindu Muslim conscious or Hindu Muslim debate or this clash doesn't account for even 0.3 to 4% of the total crime that commits or that takes place over the year, just 1 year. And therefore we can see that this is the reality of this. So something which is not that much grave, the question we must ask at the same time, why we have to invest a lot of time in this? Isn't it our time important? At the same time we are wasting it in the name of investment. What about our emotions, which is also unnecessary being aligned with these kind of discussions? So next time when we are forced to talk about Hindu and Muslim, we need to ask this question rightfully on the face of the people, that what is the purpose that it serves? Does it serve those ongoing problems to be solved? For example, we have number of problems I've listed out, right? Every time that the rain comes, and there you can see the condition of the road of our country, right? These are the major issues, right? I still believe that once you bring up this very kind of attitude and cultivate this very habit in you, I'm sure that this Hindu Muslim debate will be completely vanished right from the public discourse. It's really important. And once this is wiped off, I'm sure governments, whosoever it is, only built up on these kinds of Hindu and Muslim narrative, will be completely pulled down by itself. They won't need any force. Understand this. So next time when you are forced to do a discussions and people say if you have valid counters for Hindu and Muslim as to who is right, you just ask them simple, how does it serve the purpose, and why do I have to read Hindu and Muslim all the time? Because these are not relevant issues at current time. We must understand it. I always suggest and